Hi guys, today I'm here to show you how to use a laser pointer during your PowerPoint presentation. The first thing you need to do is make the PowerPoint presentation and then put it in the slideshow mode like here by clicking this slideshow and then here it's on the left hand side you can see there is a third pencil kind of thing here, and then when you click it and then it will show you like a laser pointer here. If you click it and then it will come out here. This is the laser pointer. It will help you a lot when you are especially presenting your figures in front of the mass audiences. And then if you don't like to use it anymore, either you can click it here and then just double click here and it will be removed, or next thing you can do is put your mouse over here and then again click that pencil kind of thing here in the left hand side, and then again if you want to use a pen here you can use it by clicking you can draw something, or you can click the left hand mouse and then you can draw a circle and then you can focus here like that. And if you don't like to use that pen anymore, again the thing you need to do is click the same button on the left hand side, and then you just have to double click it and then it will be removed. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching my video.